Okay, 8 left. I'll go for this one. Oh, no shaking or anything. I can't tell any difference. Apart from Zyga yesterday, she was so heavy. So if you want Zyga, just go for try and get a heavy one. What's this one? So I got a P. It's a P. Paper Plane Dreams, I think that's what this one is. You pull it out. Oh no, it's Piloting the Way. It's Molly. Oh, look at her. I really like Molly. I really should start collecting Molly. She's so cute. Look at that. Oh, look at her 4-leaf clover bag. Let me do a close-up. That is adorable. Her little wellies. Very cute. Love her. No. Let's get the card again. Yeah, she's really cute. I'll put her on a stand. And there she's on a stand. P for Piloting the Way. That's well cute. Oh, I love her. I'll see you tomorrow for another one.